good day at the allotment and going to be doing a bit of seed sowing and direct seed sowing today. So we did our carrots and parsnips a couple of weeks ago, but there's two ladies in my life who have challenged me to show them something long and hard this year, and that's what I'm down at the allotment to do today. Now, who are these two ladies? Well, Jane Kelly and the also adorably lovely Clarice from Clarice's French Garden. And what is the challenge? What do they want to see this year? Radish, long radish. Jane Kelly set me a challenge when she sent me some seeds to grow radish this year, and Jane sent those in about February. Clarice, wrong one, Clarice sent me some seeds back in December. Now, Clarice's aren't to be sown till June, July and August, and these are Noir Gros Long d'hiver. So these are effectively winter radish, and I think these can be, when they're fully sized, they can be taken up and stored, as can the Mooli that Jane sent a couple of months ago. But these can be sown now. I've also received a variety of others. A de 18 jours, which is, I think, a French breakfast from Clarice, which is supposedly an 18-day radish. A crunchy mix and a French breakfast again. These two here are from Jane. So I'm going to plant them out where I have the garlic at the moment. The Mooli I'm going to do right at the edge or near the edge. And I'm going to do a whole line of those Mooli. The other varieties I'm just going to do maybe, what is there? I'm going to do a third of the row of a row each. Yeah, so I'm going to get on and do that now. our 2 rows of radish. So we've got Mooli right along at the front, right along to the end at the front, and then in the second row, which has got the second label on it, that's the de sweet radish. Then here is French, and then here is a crunchy mix. So we will see what happens. So, well, there we are. 4 types of radish sown. Now, why is this a challenge? You may be wondering. Radish are so easy to grow. I'm going to be 53 in July. I had to think about that. I'm going to be 53 in July, and in those 53 years, I have never ever grown a radish to full size. They usually are like skinny little things with lots of leaf. So that's why this is a challenge for me. Radish have been my bête noire, maybe until this point. Last year, I did Chioggia beetroot for the first time, and I sowed them the Charles Dowding way, where you multi-sow in modules and then plant out the whole module and let them grow sort of as a bunch together effectively. And I grew beetroot. I grew decent beetroot for the first time ever. So my bête noire, well, beetroot was a bête noire until last year. And I'm going to be module multi-sowing beetroot again in the next week or so that I can get those out. So I'm hoping that this year I am going to live up to the challenge set by Clarice and Jane and have full-size radish. Time will tell. As you hopefully saw, I sowed them in shallow drills. I wet the drill before I sowed the seed, and then I just covered them up and then wet them again. So we will see what happens. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Do let me know if you have got a bête noire. I know that Tony C. Smith has a radish problem as well, and he's not been able to grow one to full size. So maybe this year will be the year where the people who haven't been able to grow radish can grow radish. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will see you very soon with beetroot sowing and various other things. But do give us the thumbs up if you like this video, and do hit the bell button to get notifications. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.